Hi everybody, welcome to the channel today. Okay, let me know where you're watching from. You guys, let me know if you have any questions and comments. I know I've been getting a good many in the chat box already. You guys, don't forget the tax season ends April the 15th, 2024. For those of you who may be watching me for the first time and don't know about me and also don't know about tax preparation. So I'm letting you guys know, okay? Also did a poll on the community tab on my channel, you guys. Some people have already been filling it in. Let me know, have you received your tax refund yet? Have your transcript updated this morning? If it hasn't, make sure that it you check back throughout the day to see if it updates. I'm gonna be going over some more information, new releases regarding the IRS, you guys. So again, if you have any questions, comments, drop them down in the chat box. Don't forget also, you guys, this month, my new series with my family will air on this channel on April the 22nd. Just a reminder, you guys, okay? All right, let me see some of the comments already. By the way, if you're new and you haven't already subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, guess what, you guys? Now you can subscribe to me also on Facebook. For those of you who don't know, you can subscribe to me on Facebook. I got the link down in the chat for those of you who don't know. So you subscribe on the YouTube channel and you can subscribe to me on Facebook. So I want to let you guys know that as well, okay? All right. Good morning, Corey. How you doing? Good morning, Linda. We pray for peace in New York and New Jersey. Right. I seen that earthquake, Corey, this morning. I was like, wow. I know they just had one in Taiwan, and I seen a tsunami in Japan. That was days ago. So yes, they are definitely in my prayers. If you're in New York or New Jersey, I am praying for you. Also praying for those who haven't received their refunds already. And I know a lot of you are in a bind right now. Good morning, Tay on point. Okay, have anything updated for you guys? What I'm gonna do right now, I have had some questions regarding this letter. Now I did cover, let me screen share. If you miss this video, you guys, I'm gonna screen share another letter that somebody asked me to cover. But if you miss this video, you guys, make sure that you go back and watch it if you haven't already. That's the name of it. How to respond to IRS review letters is in the playlist on my channel. For those of you who need help with IRS review letters, I didn't cover one particular letter, and it may be more, but somebody asked me regarding this morning. So I definitely want to screen share, and you can continue to put in, you guys, the comments in the chat if you have any questions, okay? I got on my glasses this morning so I can see. Sometimes I can't see things that's on the screen, you guys. So I'm going to stop screen sharing this. Okay, I wanted to share this letter, you guys, because a lot of people been asking me about this one. I don't think that I covered this letter right here on the letter video that I did on By Grace Tax Services, but some people have been asking me because they said they received this letter. So while I'm doing a new update and waiting on you guys to put questions in the chat or any information regarding your tax refund in the chat, I'm going to cover understanding your letter 44C4C, and I'll continue to take your questions and comment in the chat box for those of you who drop them down in there, okay? All right, if you receive this letter, understanding letter 4464C, what is this letter about? I think True, if you're watching, she had commented this morning asking me about this. This is what this letter means. It's verifying, the IRS is verifying your income and income tax withholding. If you file a return, you don't need to take any action. It says, please do not call us until 60 days after the letter date, and only if you haven't received your refund or heard from us by then. So it's kind of like the CPO5 letter. We recommend you review your return for any errors and file a corrected or amended return to correct the information. So also that you may want to review this letter with your tax preparer. If you have a tax preparer, if you filed a tax preparer, it says consider an IRS identity protection PIN to help prevent misuse of your taxpayer identification number or fraudulent federal income tax returns, and learn more at irs.gov/IPPIN. Okay. Contact taxpayer advocate if you're experiencing economic hardship or need help in resolving problems. Definitely. Somebody also contacted me and said it's likely my refund was reduced. Why is it being reduced? The IRS should be able to explain to you why you have a refund reduced. Okay. For those of you who are asking me about that. Okay. So always, when I'm on IRS.gov, when you go on there, make sure that you look at the frequently asked questions. Why is my tax return being reviewed? Again, this is for letter 44464C. If you just attended. It says we select some returns to determine if income, expenses, and credits are being reported accurately. This doesn't mean you made an error or were dishonest. They just randomly review tax returns sometimes. What if I didn't file the tax returns? If someone else filed for you without your consent, it says send us a completed and signed form 14039, okay? And identity theft affidavit. Okay? That if somebody had any questions about that letter, I want to make sure that I shared that with you guys, because I know I covered a lot of the letters on that video, review letters. But for those of you who didn't, you received this letter and you know, if any of you have any other letters, let me know in the chat. Some of them, now, if I covered them already, they're in that last review letter video. It's on By Grace Tax Services, okay? Okay, let me see some of your comments. Don't forget, you guys, that you can subscribe to me on Facebook. Somebody just said that I got mine. I filed March the 27th and just got it today. That's divine sent. Okay, congratulations. I seen that just popped up. So what I'm going to do for you, when they get it, I usually do the music, you guys. I just seen her. It just popped up on my screen. It's not in the chat box, but I seen it come at the bottom. You guys always play the music for those who receive their refund. So we're going to wait on that. I'm going to be looking at some more. All right, Divine. Congratulations on receiving your refund. I know you're happy. I'm praying more people update and get their refund as well, okay?
We getting money over here.
All right, congratulations to you. Let me look at some more comments. Okay. If it pauses, you guys, I will get back on. Sometimes the video pauses. Okay, let me see. So stay with me. Okay, Tori. Stay on point, okay. All my transcripts have updated. I have a code 570, 415, 422, and my expected refund has been reduced. Is this the reason for my code? The code is a whole code. Why it's been reduced? The IRS usually send you a letter and let you know why your refund reduced. But if you're experiencing hardship and you need all your money, stay on point. Make sure you contact a taxpayer advocate, okay? They'll let you know why your refund is reduced, okay? It could be different reasons. You could have a offset. Let me get that number. I always put that IRS number down. For those of you, listen, if you contact me and you contacting me by phone regarding my channel, you guys, if you have any questions, make sure that you do so on here. I have a lot of calls, people calling me by phone. I only go over information since you are not my tax client. I only cover information on this channel, okay, you guys? So, stay on point. Here's the tax offset number, okay? Some people keep calling me and they're asking information regarding my channel. So if you're watching me, you're calling me, I can only discuss anything regarding YouTube on my YouTube channel, okay? All right, so if you have any questions, you got to put them in the comments of this video and I'll discuss it with you, especially if you're not my tax client. You're not booking an appointment, okay? So stay on point, okay? To see if you have a tax offset, okay? Let's see. Hi Dallas. Then all of a sudden, welcome back. Hi Linda. No transcript updates today, but WMR was updated to say we apologize. Your return is being delayed and have topic 152 now. Hopefully next week I get my transcript update right. So I'm hoping as well Dallas that it does update. It probably will. Okay. Thanks for sharing. Hello Terry. I do have other comments that be on. I see a lot of people are receiving the 10th. Yeah, true. I'm on my phone now, you guys. True letter 4464C. I just went over with everybody on the channel. Stephen, I'm on the phone, you guys. I applied for a federal refund last month. It's been 20 days. When I did where it's a refund, it still shows refund received. Okay, you got to continue to check back, Stephen, because there's a good many people that's still in your situation as well. Okay, you just have to be patient and wait and see if your transcript updates, Stephen. Make sure you check your transcript as well. Anybody else with comments and questions? I'm looking to see. I have a good many comments. I have answered a good many people early this morning on my channel, but if you do have any more, you can put them in the comment section, okay? So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop screen sharing and let's talk about new releases, you guys. And you can still put in questions and comments down in the chat, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, don't forget, now you can subscribe to me on Facebook as well. So on here on my channel and on Facebook. Okay. You will get information if you subscribe on Facebook to me that my other Facebook friends do not have. And I am streaming live on Facebook on By Grace Tax Services this morning. I'm also streaming live on LinkedIn, okay? So those people, if you have any questions, comments, you can drop them down as well, and I'll get back to you back on Facebook and on LinkedIn. Usually I post in the group, the Facebook group, but I'll be re-airing again this video in the group later, okay? All right. New releases. I went over that 444C. They're talking about those IRS urges taxpayers to not fall prey to untrustworthy tax preparers. Those preparers that disappear with your tax refund money, and you don't know. I had a good many people, and a lot of people have come to me that money have been taken from them. They don't know where their refund, what happened, a large amount of money from other tax preparers. The IRS is urging you to be careful the ones who ghost you. They do your tax return and then you don't see them anymore. And usually when I complete your tax return, when you file with me, the ones who have, you will have all my numbers, and you will be able to even watch the videos on the channel to see new updates, and also email me and comment. But be aware, if you did file with a tax preparer and they took more money than they should have, which some people have contacted me regarding that with other tax preparers, but if they disappear on you and you know what's going on with your refund. Okay. Also, IRS reminder 2024 first quarter estimated tax payment deadline is April 15th. Don't forget the last day of tax season is April 15th. You guys, also while I'm on here, for those of you who have business, I had a live video on here, was it in January, about reporting. If you have an LLC or corporation business, you're gonna have to report now to, it's a page. You have to do reporting about your business. If you don't, you can be fined up to so much money a day and also put in jail. Okay, I did a live video in January or December. I went over that. You guys, I think it was December. I went over that because if you created the LLC after January the 1st, you have 3 months to report, to do your reporting for your business. If you don't, you can be fined daily and also you can be put in jail. Also, for those who already had an LLC before January 1st, 2024, you have until next year, 2025 January, to make sure you complete your corporation filing. I have that information on my channel as well. So I want to go over that too, let you guys know that, because a lot of people don't know that. They just be creating LLCs, filing LLCs, and don't understand. You got to do the reporting now, just like the large businesses. Okay, IRS announces tax relief for taxpayers impacted by severe storms, flooding in Rhode Island. It's been postponed for you guys to July the 15th with tax filing. Also, if you live in Hawaii, you have until, I think it's August of 2024 as well, to let you guys know it. Main taxpayers. I have people 50 states. I do tax preparation. Main taxpayers affected by severe storm flooding qualify for tax relief. Various deadline postponed to July the 15th as well. Okay, always check the IRS if you're in a severe storm area and you're impacted, because sometimes they'll, instead of April 15th, which is the last day of tax season, they'll push it off to a later date. So y'all have until July the 15th, and Hawaii has until August. Okay, Dirty Dozen. Okay, IRS warns about fake charities. Be careful about that. Also, let me remind y'all, those of you who may be watching and you owe the tax years back, you guys also have a team of tax specialists that can help you. I do more than tax preparation, okay? So if you need help and you owe a lot from the IRS last year, even this year, 3,000 or more, then I have a team of tax specialists that are partnered with me that are ready to assist you with that. You have to book appointment with me first, and then if I approve you, then you move on to a second appointment with that specialist. So letting you guys know that as well. And if you owe the IRS and you feel you're gonna owe this tax season and you're watching and you haven't already filed, the IRS is encouraging taxpayers to still file even if you owe before April 15th to avoid all those penalties and interest and the cost. Okay, so I'm just reminding you guys, to let you guys know. If you have any questions and comments, we'll drop it in the chat. Okay, I'm just covering the new releases and waiting on chat comments as they come on. Okay, those of you who filed, I went over this last tax season, the different credits, and you claim the credit like that full tax credit, the employee retention credit. Be careful. Last year they kept trying to get the taxpayers kept trying to get people to file the employee retention credit that didn't have the W-2 employees, and they were scammed by them. You're gonna have to pay that back. Make sure you go to IRS.gov if you filed it last year. The fuel tax credit, if you know you were not eligible for it and you claimed it, you gotta some of this stuff you gotta pay back. Okay? So I'm letting you guys know it and I'm warning you. This is why I'm discussing all this new information from the IRS. I've been telling you about that employee retention credit. Those people that had businesses had to have W-2 employees. And some taxpayers and other companies were trying to convince people that they could still get it, even though they didn't have W-2 employees. If you did that, you're going to have to pay it back. They were getting up to $2,400 an employee getting lower tax refunds things last year. So I'm letting you guys know that. Okay. The date that most taxpayers, before I move on, that people are seeing is April the 10th, okay? So let you guys know that April the 10th is when people are seeing the refund. It's been every Wednesday so far, the biggest date. But you can see your refund before then, okay? So I'm just letting you on other days. So I'm just letting you guys know that. Okay, let me see. Okay, that's what they said. Go ahead if you are watching and you didn't file and you owe, and you think you're not gonna be able to file by the tax deadline. Make sure you apply for your extension on your for your tax return. Now that does not take away what you owe. Okay, you just filing extension to complete everything later, but you still have to pay if you owe. And penalties and interest still gonna build up. So just so you're aware. Okay, also the IRS, for those people who are telling you, um, warning a lot of you, you said that they can help you, and even on my channel, under my older video, because people be telling people about you can get into getting money and getting this, and trying to help you. Be careful. Now, I give helpful advice on here, but you have to do the work yourself. I'm just sharing advice. There are people who telling you that they can set up and do things for you. Be careful those people. I know a lot of you need your refund, but be careful those who telling you they can do things to speed up your refund, and all you got to do is do this, and they'll do it for you. Okay? The IRS continues its Dirty Dozen Scam series, warning taxpayers to watch out for scammers attempting to sell or offer help setting up online accounts on IRS.gov. You have to do that yourself, you guys. Be careful of people trying to do stuff for you. You giving out your social security number and all that information for them to steal your information. People are doing it. A lot of scammers. So be aware, okay? All right. Are there any more questions or comments? Again, if you need any help with review letters or anything else, you guys, the review level, I went over a lot of that on that video. It's on my playlist on the channel. It's on My Grace Tax Series. It's this video that I'm putting on the screen. It's the video with the IRS letter. If you just coming on and watching now, I just went over that letter 4464C. You had to go back and watch the beginning of this video. For those of you who missed that and you're asking me about the different letters, I'm going to put the link down so you go back to certain videos that you're asking me about. A lot of these letters, I share a lot of information. Also provide a download. They help you. So I have to go back and watch that video, you guys, to get it, see it, and also get the download. Anybody else with any questions and concerns? I hope I covered everything. Okay, I will be live tomorrow. You guys, letting you guys know I will be live again tomorrow, not on this channel. I will be on this channel discussing some more information with you guys, okay? There's gonna be more tech information different from what I'm sharing today. Okay? I share different information. I want to help you guys regarding certain things to help yourself. So each time you'll see me on this channel and on that channel, you guys, My Grace Tax Service LLC. For those who haven't already subscribed, you can subscribe to that channel as well. People watching on My Grace Tax Service LLC, my business Facebook page as well, because I'm streaming on here right now, guys. So you can either go to the Facebook group and you can watch it live, or you can watch it on the YouTube channel. I think now I'm up to 75 subscribers on that channel right there. So thank you all for subscribing, and thank you all for watching. If there's nothing else, I hope tomorrow everybody updates. Let me know in the poll on the community tab on the channel, you guys, if you have any questions or did you receive your refund. By doing this, you're helping other people. Okay? As you're commenting in the chat, some of the same people who may watch this video later, guys, you are helping them because they get to see the replay of the live chat and what you put in the chat box. And so if they're experiencing what you're experiencing, that will help them. Also, don't forget to share this video out to other people on your pages, guys, in emails, pages, wherever you're at on social media, to help those who are going through the same thing that you're going through. Okay? Because every time I do them polls on my channel, you'll be surprised. I have up to, I do it for a couple of days to see. And sometimes they go all the way up to some people 70, 80, and to 100 people. I just want to see when I do those polls to see how many people have received their refund. And it doesn't be that many people, guys. So that lets you know that a lot of people in the same boat that you are in, having the same review letters. Some of you are talking about the review letters. They're getting to receive the same review letters. Some of them are still getting the 60 days, the 10 weeks, the 6 weeks. The IRS is telling them, and some people are talking about the error department. I discuss a lot about the error department, and then sometimes you cut that IRS, they'll tell you about the error department. And sometimes you reach somebody else and say, what is the error department? We don't have an error department. I went over that in a video on my review letters playlist. You should see error department. That's from 2023. I did not do a new video on that. I might do it in a future covering that. You guys, let's see. The voting that I have right now on my channel with this, I got 19 votes so far. I just posted this not too long ago. IRS Transcripts updates on Friday. Let me know, did you receive a new update of codes or due date? This is on the community tab, by the way. 11% said yes, the transcript updated for them. 84% said no, transcript did not update. So it was a good many people did not update. And it's like one person said, yes, I received a refund due date. So check back tomorrow, check the WMR tomorrow to see if you guys update. Sometimes you're aware. Sometimes the WMR, where's my refund? That's what I'm talking about on IRS.gov. Does not update. You can still get your money without updating. And some people had let me know a couple of days ago that they had no update and they still receive their money in their bank account. So don't forget, you guys, to check those bank accounts to make sure they drop in it. Especially those who have no not applicable on your transcript, guys. If you have that, you don't have any code, check your bank account every day. I would, to make sure, especially if you have a prepaid card. Now, I know the bank will take a while for it to drop in there. If you have a prepaid card, it could be any time and it may drop in there. So check throughout the week. Okay? All right, y'all have a blessed day, okay? And then hopefully tomorrow I will be on this channel. I will share the link in the community tab when I go live on this channel, okay? Y'all have a great day.